Welcome to Focus on Foods. I'm here at Bosa Foods, exploring the world of pasta. It's the ingredient that's been the staple of Italian cuisine for more than 1,000 years. Here at Bosa Foods, you'll discover over 300 different pastas in dozens of colors, varieties, and shapes. You'll find all the traditional cuts of pasta, but at Bosa Foods, you'll also find many specialty pastas, like large shell pasta, pasta nests, squidding, and colored pastas, pasta made with porcini mushrooms. Many are available in both plain and egg formats. There's also a whole range of whole wheat and organic pastas to choose from, and even bronze dye pasta that's extruded through traditional bronze dyes for a rougher texture that carries more sauce. For those with dietary restrictions, there's also gluten-free pasta options. Anna's Country Kitchen brand gluten-free gnocchi is a favorite, as well as many of the corn and rice pasta options available in traditional cuts. When you're looking for a line of high-end pasta, the Preferisco brand is a must-try. Made with 100% authentic Italian durum semolina and produced with a traditional family recipe, this line of pasta is truly special. We've just touched on a few of the dried pasta options you'll find at Bosa Foods, but there are unlimited possibilities for amazing Italian dishes. And we can't end without letting you know about the whole range of Italissima ready-to-cook fresh and frozen pasta options. From cannelloni to lasagna, ravioli, tortellini, and many other fresh and frozen cuts, you'll find what you need to create that special meal at Bosa Foods. When you need any kind of pasta, you'll find it at Bosa Foods. Thanks for watching.